Yeah, I am Dr. Prasad Kulkarni, practicing implantologist and dentistry in Advanced Dental Treatment Center, Vijayanagar, Bangalore. Recently, a very young, good-looking girl has walked into my practice, and she has met with an accident where the front two teeth are broken, and then they are broken in a very bad shape. She was very much scared about now how to go about it, and she was literally into tears when she came into my practice, and then telling that, see, I take so much care of my whole body, face, and now this has happened, doctor. So how it can be corrected? Block means how this, how you will do it? Like means I am very much worried. So this was her actual statements, and then when I examined her, she needed a real replacement, like front two teeth were broken and all other adjacent teeth are very perfect. And even I was taken back now how to help her in that way. And then when I suggested that she can go for a beautiful crowns in the front, so that they help in chewing, they can be used instead of laminates, because the tooth structure broken or fractured was bit more, where we would have not able to place the veneers or the laminates. And then when I mentioned her about you have to go for the crowns, she was taken back, like means they look very artificial. Then with the help of my earlier treated cases, I showed her the videos and the photograph and all these things. Then somehow she made her mind to go for the replacement with the crowns. Now in Advanced Dental Treatment Center, we are using very high-end crowns, which has the natural look, transparency, everything, and then they exactly look like the next tooth itself. The shade matching even is almost 99%. The patient will not get to know that these are placed crowns, because there is a big science how the tooth comes out from the gums, so that it looks very natural. Means the crown is made like means how it is emerging out of the gums. If it is matching with the natural teeth, like the way natural teeth comes out of the gums, that is the big science. Means there should not be any gap between the margin and the gums. We take utmost care in our clinic for this emerging profile of the tooth, like the tooth how it is coming out from the gums, so that the margins are fitted just beneath, just on the just with the gum margin, and then so that it looks as if it is erupted from the gums. So the patient was very happy, and then we showed her all the photos, and then we made the tooth cutting, and then made the impression and sent the work to the lab. And then after receiving the crowns, once we implanted those crowns into the patient mouth, patient could not believe it. Patient was very happy to receive the gums, because receive the tooth, because of the two major factors. One is the way it is coming out of the gums has made her convinced that she can go for this treatment, because it was not at all looking like something extra we have added to her own tooth. It was looking as if the tooth is erupting, now re-erupted from her mouth. That's what, where she got it convinced. That is the one point. And the second point is the mix and match of different shades and the hue of the tooth has considered as the second point, where we mixed many shades and then hue and then transparency and mixed together, and then we could create like exactly her the next tooth, like her original tooth. We compared it and then took the photograph and communicated to the lab and all these things, and patient was really very happy to receive these natural looking crowns. In our clinic, in Advanced Dental Treatment Center, we are doing such type of treatment on our day-to-day practice. Like we concentrate more how the crown is placed, how the crown is fabricated. We concentrate more on how the tooth or a crown is emerging from the gums. So with this concept, natural looking crowns have become very famous in our clinic, and routinely we have been doing this treatment like laminates, either whether it might be a laminates, veneers or a smile designing or a natural looking crown. They are done to the perfection in our advanced dental treatment center.